So today's video is going to be very short and straight to the point. I want to teach you how to create sketchbooks, also called drawing books, to sell on Amazon KDP. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm Legal Naira, and all I do every day is to put a smile on your face and money in your bank account by teaching you different legitimate ways to make money online. If this is something you are interested in, give this video a thumbs up, share on your social media, and subscribe to my channel because I'll be posting more videos on how to make money online. One thing that makes a lot of people watch my videos and subscribe to my channel is that I give all this information for free. I want you to make money, and I don't even care if you make more money than me. Let's just make this money and have a good life. Without wasting much time, let's get right into the video. So if you go to Amazon and you type sketchbook, search, you will see that this type of book sell very well on Amazon. As you can see, 2,902 reviews, 11,000 reviews, 2,000 reviews. These are all sketchbooks. They are all blank pages. You don't need to write anything in this type of book. You can even create 20 every day. You can create 20 of this type of book every day. All you need to do is to have the right keywords and then create books for different sizes and different sets of people. As you can see, just keep scrolling down. You will see that they have a lot of reviews with very low BSR. This means that sketchbooks sell very well on Amazon KDP. So to create our sketchbook, we'll be using Canva. Whether you have the free version or the paid version of Canva, you are good to go. Now for this tutorial, let's create a pocket-sized sketchbook, something that can fit into the pockets where customers can use anywhere and anytime. They can just bring it out of their pocket and do some rough sketch. They are of different sizes. You can create a 6x9 sketchbook, 8x11 sketchbook, or 8.5x11 sketchbook. You can create any size, but for this pocket size, let's use 5.5x8.5 with no bleed. The first thing you want to do is to create a design, custom size, inches. Always remember this should be in inches. Then you put your interior dimension, 5.5 by 8.5. Create new design. Now this is our interior. Next thing you want to do is to rename it 5.5 by 8.5 sketchbook, no bleed. This way you'll be able to identify your book anywhere you save it. Now this is a sketchbook. Recently KDP updated that they no more accept blank pages. So if you are going to be creating a sketchbook, it must have at least one element in each of the page. So there are two ways to do this. One, you can just go to elements, click on line, take it up. You will see that Canva gives us a border. This border is enough for a no bleed book. So just drag it to fill up, and then this is your interior. That's all you have to do. The interior is ready. You just duplicate this 100 times and you are good. Or another way to do this, let's delete this, is to use this box, reduce the thickness, increase the size like this, and then move it up. This is your interior. Just make it color black like this, and this is all you have to do. In this box, in your description or in your how to page for the book, you can now write something like, there is a box in each page for the user to write the name of the object they are drawing or sketching. You can also remove that if you don't want this type. Click that again, the same box, reduce the thickness, take it up like this, use the exact border Canva gave you like this, and then fill up the page with it like this. Just make it color black and you are good. This is your interior. You don't have to write anything. You don't have to do anything. Then you decide how many pages do you want to create. Do you want to create a 50-page sketchbook? If you want to create a 50-page sketchbook, remember that the first page is going to be the belongs to page, like this book belongs to, then the user's name, just a small design. Then it means that this book is going to have 51 pages. Or you can also have an instruction page as the second page to make it 52 pages. The same way, if you want to create 100 pages, it means that this book is going to have 102 pages. But for sketchbooks, 50, 60 or 70 pages is just okay. So for the purpose of this tutorial, tutorial, let's make this 52 pages. In my previous videos, when I explained coloring books, I told you that the first and second page should be blank. The first page is going to be your belongs to page, while the second page for a coloring book is the text your color page, and for a sketchbook it will be an instruction page. So let's do that right now. I'm going to click to duplicate this 50 times. So this is page 1, page 2, this is page 2, page 3, page 4, page 5, page 6, page 7, page 8, page 9, page 10. Okay, you can keep clicking like that, but let me do something. If you come down and click on this grid view, click on it, it will load the number of pages you already created. We have 10 pages here. So to create 40 more pages, you just highlight all, Ctrl C, which is copy, and Ctrl V. Now we have 20 pages. As you can see it here, Ctrl V again, 30 pages, Ctrl V again, 40 pages, and 50 pages. Our number of pages is complete. Click the grid view again, and here we go. We have 50 pages here. Now we need 2 extra pages to make it 52 pages. So you can just duplicate this again, 1 and 2. If you scroll down, you'll see that we have 52 pages. How simple. And then we are done creating our interior. The only thing we need to do now is to create the first page, which is the belongs to page, and the second page, which is the instructions page. So let's quickly create the belongs to page. If I want to create my belongs to page, I always try to be very creative with it. I'll just go to Pixabay to get a very attractive picture background to use as my belongs to page. Now let's head straight to Pixabay. Now we are on Pixabay. You just type the word sketch. It has given us some results for sketch. Now it's saying we have 71 other pages apart from this first page, so you can keep searching. But remember that what we are looking for is a black and white interior for our belongs to page. I just saw one that I can use. I can use this one. I like it. I can use this one. I can even use this. But let me niche down to see if I would see the kind of picture that I would like to use. This is another one that goes very well for a belongs to page in a sketchbook. So let's click on color. Okay, we want transparent background and we want only black and white. Then you click go. As you can see, these are very fine pictures that can be used in our belongs to page. I like this. This is fine. I like this too. This is fine too. Even this one is very fine. I think I'll be downloading two. Okay, let me take this one first. Click on free download. But before you download anything from Pixabay, first of all, check the attribution. It says free for commercial use, no attribution required. Then you are free to use it. So click on free download, and this is the second one I think I would like to use. Just click on it, free for commercial use, no attribution required. Then you download it, free download. Now let's import the 2 pictures we downloaded into our Canva. We are back to Canva. Click on uploads, upload file, locate where you saved the picture. These are the pictures. Click on them and click open. Now our pictures are ready. This is our first page. The first thing you want to do is to click on the image you want to put in your first page, and it appears like this. Then you can write this book belongs to. Go to elements, click on this box again, reduce the thickness, bring it down like this, duplicate that, bring that down too. Then you can write this book belongs to. Go to text, look for a fancy font you would like to use. I like this. Click on it. Now edit that and write this book belongs to. Reduce it. You can bring it down like this. Make sure it's in the middle like this. Can make it bigger. Next is our instruction page. Go back to uploads. The picture we downloaded for our instruction page, click on it and it will appear on page 2 of our sketchbook. Align it to fill up the page and then write your instruction in here. I'll do that quickly while we come back into the video. So we have our page 2 ready. It says you will love your sketchbook. Each page has a section to write the name of the object you are drawing. So this is our page 1. This book belongs to the person using the book will write their name here. Then the page 2 has an instruction on how to use this book. Then the page 3 starts the book. Now we have 50 blank pages and 2 extra introduction pages. So you see that we are done creating our sketchbook. This will not even take you more than 5 minutes. The next thing you want to do is to download this interior by clicking on the share icon, downloads. This time you'll be downloading as a PDF print. Okay, Now it's saying all 52 pages. Yes, just click on download and it's already downloading our PDF interior. Now let's check our interior to see that it is perfect. This is it, and this is our interior. Isn't this lovely? This is page 1, page 2, then these are the blank pages for drawing. Now it's time to design our book cover. Let's go back to Pixabay to get a very nice picture for our cover design. Now we are on Pixabay. Before now, you should have known the category of people you want to design or create this sketchbook for. You can design sketchbooks for kids, for boys, for girls, for adults. You can even use some specific high-selling keywords to design a sketchbook like unicorn, kawaii, cartoon, comic. These keywords sell very well, especially if you are designing or creating sketchbooks for kids or toddlers. Now, for this tutorial, I want to design a unicorn sketchbook. That's a sketchbook for unicorn lovers. Anybody that likes unicorn, mostly girls, this sketchbook will appeal to them. So let's just search for unicorn. Search. Now, all these are unicorn images that you can use as your cover design. I don't stress myself when it comes to cover design. I know that if I have the right search term, I'll get the best picture to use. I've even seen one that I like. Look at this one. You can see this. This is more than good for a unicorn sketchbook. I don't know if I would want to use this, but let's just check if we would see more. Scroll down. You see, I'm seeing a whole lot of pictures that I can use for my cover design. You can even use something like this. You can use something like this. This is very fine as your cover design. If you place this as your back cover on Canva, it will be very nice. In fact, this is very fine in the sense that the child or the parents that wants to buy it for the child can be using this as the element to sketch in the book. If the child does not even know what to use the sketchbook for, they can be sketching all these items in the background. I really want to use this because it already passes a message. It's already selling the book. Let's use this picture. So you just check attribution and then click on free download. After downloading our preferred picture, we now go back to Canva. Now we are on Canva. We want to create our cover. The next thing you want to do is to click on create a design, custom size. Like I said, if you want to create a cover where you are only going to be using the front cover and not creating the front and the back cover, you use this size 1410 by 2240 pixels. Okay, with this we are only going to create the front cover and we will use KDP cover generator to generate the back cover for us, and that's what we want to do here. So change this to pixels and change this to 1410 by 2240. 1410 by 2240. Create design. Canva has given us the exact size. The next thing you want to do is to upload the image you just downloaded from Pixabay. Click on uploads, upload file, and this is the image. Just double click it. Here we have it. All you need to do right now is to click on this image to appear on your design interface. Click on it and this is our image. The next thing you want to do is to arrange it in a way that it will fill up this page. Let me bring it down. This looks good. I just realized that I need to do something to really show that this is a sketchbook for unicorn lovers. I'll go back to Pixabay now to get another picture that will attract every unicorn lover to this book. Now let's go back to Pixabay. This is Pixabay. I'm looking for another unicorn picture that kids will love. I like this, but I like this too, but okay, I think I like this one. Free download, download. After downloading this, we go back to Canva to upload it into our design surface. Back to Canva, upload file. This is it. Then you click on it and it appears on our design surface. Let's make it smaller. I don't want to leave the background as white, so let's go back to Pixabay to look for something that we can use as a fine background. So this is Pixabay. We are looking for a fine background for our cover design. I like this. I like this. I can see some that I like already, but let's just see if we can see more. Something that would appeal to a girl. So let's just search for a nice unicorn background. I think I like like this one, download. Now let's go back to Canva to add it as a background on our design. So this is it. You just click on it, use it to fill up the page like this, so you can send it to back, send to back. Okay, we can now reduce the opacity, the thickness. Click on this, reduce it like this, and boom, this is nice. The next thing we want to write now is to write that this is a sketchbook. Go to text, select the font that you want. I like this font. Now just write sketchbook, make it bigger and position it where you like, and we are done. Our cover is ready. This sketchbook is perfect. I am Unicorn Sketchbook. That is the title of our book. We know that sketchbook is a keyword, unicorn is also a keyword, and there are other things we can add to our keywords to help our book rank. So this is lovely for a sketchbook. Let's just download it. This time you will be downloading it as a JPEG file. Remember, if you are designing only the front cover so that you can use KDP cover generator to design the back cover, you'll be downloading as a JPEG file. But if you want to design both the front and the back cover, you will be downloading it as a PDF file. So let's click on share, download JPEG. This is our cover design. Very, very lovely. Now it is time to upload our sketchbook. In my next video, I'm going to walk you through how to upload this sketchbook and other low content books. I'll show you how to use the best keywords for your title, subtitle, and your 7 back-end keywords. I will also show you how to publish books without a back cover. You will just use the KDP cover generator to generate a back cover for your book easily. You don't want to miss this, right? Hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell notification icon so that YouTube will send you instant notification immediately I post the video. This way you will be the first to see the video, watch it, implement the strategies, and start making money on Amazon KDP. Make sure you implement these strategies, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a lovely day, and I'll see you in my next video.